No. So there we go, look. You see the craters there, look.
You got cats and dogs.
You got, look at these ones here, look. 1, 2, 3, and the line going.
I think that's on the book.
This is what a lot of people do. And this one here.
Big dog, small dog?
I don't know.
A Rottweiler.
A dog.
A Rottweiler or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a great big one.
I thought he wanted to get a Doberman.
Over there. He just came over to me, sniffed me, and started licking me.
What he wants.
We come over here this morning.
I'm recording, by the way, as well.
There's a great big dog. What a huge thing it was.
This is why we come mad. So you can get to see things like this. Now you can see the amount of times it got hit there, look. All the
people are scared of him because he's a big dog. And sometimes
And some people don't like
too big a dog.
too big of a dog. Like kids now, like they would like that.
Oh, kids love him. Oh, yeah. Little
Was
kids, they sit on
was
his
this
back
bit-
and
Yeah, a lot of people were thinking about, where is it? There, there's apparently sometimes you see lights come up and on and off there.
Yeah.
The tide was in earlier. Yeah, there's people swimming in there. There's 1, 2, 3 people in canoes. Going down the island, circling the island, in the old canoes. But they're not allowed to go around, so check them
And
out.
what's that bit up there?
What's that? Up there, is it?
Yeah.
That one here?
Yeah.
Up here? That is one of the craters.
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to see if I can find. See, you can see you got a couple of them there. And if I go down here, you see the bottom where a shit ton of critters have been hit in that pot there.
Turn to the dog side, man. Get to the dog side.
Yeah, apparently it's very difficult. You'll never ever get to see the dark side for some reason. And the closer I can get to the edge there, look.
It's away from it, isn't it?
See there, look?
Yeah.
That's the closest I can get to the dark side. But where is it? This one down here. Here, let me just see those. Here, let me just see that one down there. Things have been seen coming in and out with that one. That one right. Hang on, let me just.
It's a little reaching.
That one there. Things have been seen coming out right there. That one. Things have been seen coming in and out with that one.
The moon's hollow, don't they?
A lot of people reckon. Like, there's so much things about the moon, but you'll never see it like this.
I said there could be snow. Go fickle.
So I'll be uploading this one to my YouTube channel. Because everyone loves seeing it like this. We can go along and see the sea. I think you'd have to see a tranquility there. You'd have to see a tranquility, they call that area. I call it the bra. It looks like a bra.
I never knew the